This is a tutorial on how to make a mob grinder, as you can see in the title. Okay, this is what you'll want to do. You'd want to make a chest, double chest, 2 blocks away from each other. 2 blocks. Okay, now you would want to crouch. Okay, you'd want to crouch. Click on the chest right there. As you can see, the hopper, it goes over to the chest. Just making sure, just in case you're a noob. Just in case. Okay. Now what you want to do is build like this with your glass. We're going to need a slab, any slab you want. Let's get jungle wood. Okay. Get this done. It's gonna be just like this. This should work on any platform, PC, PS4. I'm on the PS4. Xbox. It should work on any platform. No redstone required. Okay. Once you've done that, you want to break these. Break these right here. Oops, I accidentally broke a thing. Okay. Let's mine these. Put down the slabs for you can hit the mobs. Okay. Now what you'd want to do is build a 21 block high thing, counting these 2 blocks. So this is 2 and then 3. Okay. All around this. Go like this. Let me show you. Alright, these are the 3 blocks. Go all around like this. And once you've done that, I will show you what to do. I'll get right back to you. Okay. This is what your tower should look like now, so far. This is what it should look like now. Okay. What you would want to do is, since water spreads out 8 blocks, what you want to do is count in these blocks. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Alright. Do this on all the sides. Alright. This is now what it should look like. Now what you want to do is do this. Connect all of them. Like so. And do it over here. This works on survival. You don't have to do it on creative. But since I would rather use cobblestone because cobblestone is the easiest block to get in Minecraft. Besides dirt. Okay. Almost done with this. Okay. There's my old project, but I messed up on it. Okay. Now it should look like this. Now what you'd want to do is fill these holes in. Okay, I'll get back to you whenever these holes are filled in. Okay, your platform should now look like this. What you would want to do now is follow these 2 blocks over here. Put them down like this. Okay. Do it just like this. Okay. Okay, all around. I forgot this has to be like this. Okay. Okay. Right here. This is where the water comes in. And that's one of the things I forgot. Water. Okay, let's get the water. Bucket of water. Let's go like this. 2 right here. And then again, this works on any platform. This part right here is where your mobs will be spawning. Alright, you want to fill all this in, on all of the squares over there. This is one of the easiest mob grinders you can make. No redstone required or anything. It's a 21 block drop, so it's one hit with the sword. It won't take down much of the durability of your sword. It's one hit per mob. Pretty convenient. That's why you had to make it so high. Because, the farther they drop, the more damage they take, obviously. So, 21 blocks will give them 1 or half a heart. Alright, some spiders might spawn, and they will clog up this, and if they clog it up, no mobs will be able to get down there. So what you'll need to do is occasionally come up here and get rid of all the spiders, so spiders will spawn. But if a spider does make its way down there, just kill it, or find a way to get up here and kill it. Or you can, get some slabs and go like this. And just put them 2 apart. Like that. And spiders will not be able to spawn this way. I'm not gonna do it, it's probably gonna take too much time for me. I'm, recording, I only want this to be 15 minutes long. It might be longer. I hope it won't. Okay. Do this, going all the way around. All the way around your place, do this. For the mobs will not get out. This will need to be, 3 blocks high. And 3 blocks high, it's 3 blocks because of the Enderman. Alright. Alright. This is 3 blocks high. 3. Okay. Now what comes in place is... Alright, this needs to be 1 more block high. I'm sorry guys, it needs to be 1 more block high. Okay, fill all this in, and this is where the signs come in place. The mobs will see this as an ordinary block, they'll just walk right over it. Because the sign, acts like a block for the mobs, so they just walk right into the water, don't know what's going on, all they know is moving, and then suddenly they fall, only have half a heart, and then you kill them. That's all that happens. Alright, fill all this in, and then make this 3 blocks high, and then you'll have your mob grinder. And down here, you might want to put some torches. For, no mobs will spawn out here. This would be the perfect mob grinder in my opinion. This is one of the easiest mob grinders I've come across. Alright, make all the platforms like this one. Cause I don't think I think the signs will take away the water. Okay. This has been a how-to video on how to make a mob grinder. Like, subscribe, and comment.